Hello everyone, I am Arfina back with my new makeup tutorial. I hope you guys doing very well. If you find my videos is helpful for you and you enjoy my videos, please inspire me through subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends and family. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for my new videos. And give a thumbs up please, and let me know if you have any suggestion for my videos or you want to see any kind of eye look. So let me know in the comment section below. If you wondering for the product details for today's video, I already update on my description below. Please check out that. Thank you. Now let's get started. First I moisturize my face with this Nivea cream. After that, off camera, I already draw my eyebrows and concealed my one eyelid with the Maybelline Rewind Concealer. Now I am using this flat brush for carve out my brow bones and conceal my another eyelid. For setting my concealer, I am using a white eyeshadow from Morphe 35B palette. I am using with a fluffy brush. As a transition color on my crease, I am using an orange color. With same fluffy brush, I may repeat some steps to build up the color nicely, so please bear with me. As you can see, I am building the color orange color on my crease area. Now I am grabbing the purple color from same Morphe palette. Now I am using a flat brush. Now I am applying the purple color on my outer V area, and I am trying to get the color on my crease area also, but I am not covering my orange color, as you guys can see. Now I am using same blending brush to blend out both color together. Whenever I feel like I need to build up that color some more, I am grabbing that color and building up and blending. To get such kind of color look, you may need to give some effort in the blending area. Off camera, I have done my one eye cut crease. Now I am showing how to do cut crease on my another eye. You have to do it very slowly and you have to use very less product. I am using same concealer to cut my crease, and I am using this purple color again to build up the color. Now I am grabbing this parrot green. I am using it near the purple color, very near, as you can see, blending both color together. And the gap area I will fill up with a yellow shade. By the way, I am using only one palette for today's eye look. After that, I will use a palette from the Balm Cosmetic. I use their concealer as a color corrector. I never used the Balm Cosmetic product before. I will try to give a small review in my next video. Now I am using this cream concealer on my needed areas. As a foundation, I am using Too Faced Born This Way foundation. As a applicator, I am using ELF foundation brush. As a concealer, I am using Urban Decay Naked Concealer under my eye area, on my nose bridge, upper lips area, and on my chin. I am using same brush to blend out all. After that, I will use my Sephora Beauty Blender to blend all together nicely. To contour my face, I will use cream contour from the same palette. I also use my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to get the contour very sharply. And all I will set with MAC Loose Powder. As a blush, I will use this color from my Balm Cosmetic palette. Now I am using this bronzer from Sephora palette. Now I am using this yellowish golden shimmery shade as a highlighter on my inner eye, brow bones and cheekbones also. Can you see the sparkle on my face? After that, I am using my black pencil eyeliner from Golden Rose in my upper eye waterline. Now I am applying same purple shade on my lower eye outer V and blending towards. Now I am taking this orangey pink and applying on inner corner. Now I am blending all together. Now I am applying my mascara. Now I am drawing a small winged eyeliner with same pencil. Now I am bronzing my nose. Now I am applying same highlighter. Now I am bronzing my lip area. Now I am using this lip pencil all the way my full lip. I forget the brand name since I bought it so many years ago. On top of that, I am using a liquid lipstick which was gifted by my mom. Now I am bronzing my double chin. So I am done. That was my final look. Now I am setting my hair with my hands. So if you have any kind of suggestion or comments, please let me know in the comment section below, because your suggestion, your comments is very important for me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for today. See you soon. Till then, take care.